Hello, welcome to my computer videos, Life on Linux channel. And today's video is going to be a first look at Portainer.io. This is a Docker web-based GUI management, and I just installed it with a Docker run. And we'll go through that command line later, maybe if we like it at all. And let me bring in the interface. So this is the interface, and this is what you start with after the Docker command. And man, the beauty of that, let me tell you, just Docker and the name, and you're good to go. So I'm going to just type in password here because I'll probably get rid of this right afterwards, and do a new one that I really like. So we're going to create user, and we don't need to save it on either of those. And we're in. So it gives us the choice to start by managing remote or local. That's pretty impressive. I like that. An agent or Microsoft Azure. I'm not sure why Microsoft is the first one. Maybe that's the most popular. I don't know. So let's just look at local. And yeah, we did do that. We did. So that's part of the command line. So that's the socket, and that's the socket for Windows. So let's connect, and let's see what we get. So let's see. I got one stack, 24 containers, 8 images. Let's just go in here and see what we get. So I don't even know what a stack. Oh, okay. So WordPress. That's my WordPress. Yeah. Let's go around. Let's look at each thing. So I don't know what a stack is yet because I'm pretty new to Docker. So let me see if I can see. Okay. So stack is, I guess because I have WordPress running. See, I have a NodeSQL running. Oh, okay. So I have one instance of WordPress where it's WordPress and MySQL running together, and the WordPress is running, but the MySQL isn't. Okay. So this is my one image that runs WordPress and MySQL together. All right. So let's look at containers. And okay, this is good. Yeah. So this is this Huggin thing. I want to get rid of that. This is Portainer, what I just installed. I've got Node-RED running on Ubuntu. This is great. So let me, that was, yeah, so let me see if I can find the old one. Let me see if I can pick the old, or let's just get rid of this. Let's see if I can delete this from here. Let's see, logs. There we go. Start. Oh, wow. So this is great. Perfect. So let's do remove. Are you about to remove one or more containers? That's great. So this is really straightforward so far. I'm liking it. Oh, that's so much better. I'm sorry. I like the command line and the value of the command line, but I also like the ease of a GUI. I like the first user ease of the GUI, because in the command line you've got to learn it, and it's if you understand man and help and stuff, you can learn it pretty quickly. But sometimes the GUI just gets you right there. And I think I want to get rid of all these, which I didn't even know I had. So these are ones that I tried, and I'll leave that for now. So I want to get rid of these. Let's see if we can delete a bunch of them at the same time. One or more. Good. We're going to remove the volumes too, I think. I hope that doesn't blow up my other stuff. All right, let's look at images, because I probably have some images I don't need. Okay, yeah, I want to get rid of Huggin because it was something I was trying out, but I'm not using it. And that's it. So that's good. Let's try to remove it. Let's see what the remove options are. We'll just start with a remove. Failure, conflict by a stopped container. Okay, I thought I got rid of that. Did I not? Yeah, I thought I got rid of Huggin. So maybe that didn't update yet. Oh, and look. You get the IP address right here. That's great. So no I mean, I'm sure this is just using inspect, but it's a nice presentation of it. So I'm guessing there needs to be, you gotta wait for an update before you get to delete the image for a deleted container. There's probably a timeline lag between it being deleted and it being registered as deleted. I'm just gonna guess that. And I'm looking up here. Oh, I was thinking Portainer support was like, oh wow, it even gives you support for the particular container you're listed. And like, no, I'm using Portainer. All right, sorry. Let's look at events. Okay, so there's just events for Portainer hosts. Yeah, so that's me. Okay, so that's no biggie. And networks. So that's, more information on the network. That's good. So easy to browse information. That's great. Extensions, I don't think I have any yet. Good. So I'll look at that later. I wonder. Yeah, it'll be interesting to look at. And users. Okay, so I don't have any users, but that's good. Let me just try to add myself as a user and see what permissions we get. And I'm just going to put password for now because, again, I'm going to get rid of this. Password and create user. Never. I shouldn't say never, but, and well, that's easy enough. And you can change the password. Okay, well, I was hoping that it would give me, okay, here's roles. So I can add role, it requires the act, okay, and this teams. No team available. Okay, so you can build a team easily. So let's create team. Test teams. Create team, and there we go. Let's see if so we can easily add users and remove users. That's great. And then roles, we need that plugin, so we won't do that. I don't know what an endpoint is yet, so I'll have to worry. I'm guessing that's a individual container. So I'll have to. I don't understand that yet. And then let's see some settings. Snapshots. Okay, so I'm going to keep this. I'm going to reinstall it and start from scratch. But this looks like a great tool to make managing your Docker easier. And I hope this helps you out. I hope I can save you the trouble of looking at it. Looking it up and finding it yourself. And have a great day. See you next time.